Welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Yeng Giao, and our best player of the game, Jonard Clarito. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Yeng, TNT was just a step or two away the entire third or fourth quarter. And it was a very physical game. Para sa iyo, Coach, ano ang pinakamagandang ginawa ng koponan nyo in those moments para makuha ang Game 2?
Ang pinakamaganda siguro yung nakabalik kami. They led us a couple of times, pero I think ang importante is learning to get back pagka nagkakaroon ng run yung kabilang team. Meron din situations na sinwerte kami, nawala si BGR, medyo lumiit sila, hindi medyo lumiit sila. Tapos foul trouble pa si Glenn Cobuntin, So that's really a rare opportunity for us, So nag-take advantage kami. Mabuti nakascore kami of those siguro situations, Pero ang importante para sa akin, yung team namin, batang team, natututo ng lumaban sa endgame. Kasi yung mga batang team, yun ang problema. Maybe for 3.5 quarters, nakakasabay sila. Which is nangyari sa amin nung last game namin. Nakasabay kami ng 3 quarters. Pagdating ng 4th, bumigay na. At least itong larong to, siguro maturity na rin or at least sinwerte din dun sa sitwasyon nila. Kulang sila ng player. Rare occasions Kailangan talaga ito take advantage mo. So maliit na window to, maliit na bintana, pasukin mo na. So sa amin, nag-take advantage lang kami dun sa advantageous na situation na yun.
Thank you, Coach Yeng. Now, nabanggit mo nga, it was a physical game. 2 of the players from TNT were not available towards the end of the game. This is Brandon and Jewel as well. Paano siya kinapitalize in this game?
Well, yun nga. We tried to play inside. Aside from our transition game or our fast game, pagka wala kami nakuha sa transition, talagang ang bilin ko sa mga players, let's just pound the middle. Let's just get into the middle, sa gitna, sa post-up, and see what happens. So, medyo nahirapan sila dun sa matchups. May konting size advantage kami doon. So, I think that's really what gave us the advantage. Isang bagay pa rin, when it's a high-scoring ball game, we have a better chance of winning. So, pag mabilis ang laro, pag nakaka-run out kami, yung transition namin, mas malaki chance naming manalo. Last game kasi, 4 fast break points lang kami. Nag-average kami ng 21. Sa ngayon, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung fast break points namin, hindi ko pa nakita. But I'm sure it's more than 4. 25. 50? 15 fast break points. Okay, 15 fast break points. So, times 3 na halos noong first game namin. So the pace was good for us. High scoring game gusto namin. Tapos maganda pa nilaro ni Jonard. Parang si Sean din to, bagong pirma ng kontrata, may mga inspiration sila. So siguro every week papipirmahin namin ng bagong kontrata itong mga to.
Thank you, Coach Yeng. Now, Jonard, 18 points at the end of the first half. Ano yung driving factor during those moments na makakontribute ka ng malaki at ng maaga?
Sabi ng coaches nga sa amin, kung ano yung ginagawa namin sa ensayo, idalhin namin sa game. Kung sino ma-open. Kung sino ma-open, give and go para sa mga teammate namin. Yun nga, sabi ng mga teammate ko, ako ang na-open, tinik advantage ko na.
Tapos sa larong ito, Jonard, marami ka rin naging katulong. Of course, Andre Caracot, also Santi Santillan, and the rest of the team for Rain or Shine also contributing. How has, playing with them helped you come out with that performance today?
Sa ano lang, nagsimula kami sa defense namin. Laging sinasabi ni Coach yung yung depensa namin. Tsaka lalabas naman yung opensa pag maganda yung depensa namin.